Hi guys, welcome to the first tutorial of Solidworks. Here we're gonna learn about different named area in Solidworks. So the first area is the title bar. It is called so because it is written over here, part 1. Now part 1 is the default name for our Solidworks file. So it's the title of our solid part. The next one is the quick access buttons. Now here you can find out new file, open, save, print, and various other options. We will talk about them later. Now the second area is the menu bar. Here you can find File, Edit, View, Insert, Tools, Windows, and Help. Now let's come to this area. This is the search button. Here we can type any command, or in case we need any help, we can type over here and press the search button. Here we have various filters, like if we want to search only the commands, search only the commands, search in only the files and models, or we can use these filters. We can check or uncheck in which filter we want to search. Let's say we want to search only on YouTube, then check on YouTube and type the search option here and press the search button. Now the next area is our ribbon. So here you can see a lot of tools given over here. We will study them one by one in our next tutorials. The next area is our tabs. So here's the features for 3D modeling, sketches, surfacing tools, sheet metal, mold tools, and so on. Now if we want to add any tab, let's say we want to add the weldments, then click on the weldments. Now here's the weldments. Just click on that and we get all the tools related to weldments. Now come to the next named area, which is managers. So these are the managers. First, there's a feature manager design tree, property manager, configuration manager, dimension expert manager, display manager, and so on. We will talk about them in our further tutorials. At the beginning, we will talk only about the feature manager. Now here you can see some list items like part 1 written over here, and the history, sensors, annotations. Now these list items appears to be like a folder. So as they work, we can find out all the necessary sensors and all the history under these folders. We can assign material on a part, and we can use these planes to accomplish any of our drawing. Or we can use these planes to complete our drawings and 3D models. This is our origin And this is our suppression line. We'll talk about it in our later tutorials. Now the next named area is our work area, which is this area. Now here we can see all the work we are doing, and whatever we do in this area will turn into our 3D model. Now the next one is visual buttons. Here it is. Now the visual buttons contains all the buttons related to our zooming, panning, cross-section, and different named views, different styles, different rendering styles, and so on. We will talk about them in our tutorials. Now the next thing is the access system. So this is our access system for SolidWorks. As you can see, the origin is here, but the access system is represented over here. It is just only the representation to let us know on which plane we are looking at. Now the next thing is this model view, 3D views, and motion study. So when we were working in modeling, we can switch to this model tab. If we want to create some 3D views, such as in a PDF file, then we can use this 3D view. We can use motion study to create animations and simulations. The last area is the status bar. Over here, you can see SolidWorks Premium 2018 X64 edition is written over here. So this version is SolidWorks 2018. Now whatever we do in this work area, we can see all the coordinates and instructions in this status bar. This is very important. Now come to this area. Here it is in editing part mode, and we can change the SolidWorks units from here. Just click on this MMGS and we can see other unit formats. Whether you want to use MKS, CGS, MMGS, IPS, or we can edit document units. And we can change it over here. So if we want to use it, the dual dimension length, just click on it and click on this arrow and select another unit. Then click on OK. Now my unit is set. There is one more panel is given over here, which is the task pane. Now at first, when we click on this first option, SolidWorks Resources, we can see a lot of online links. We have some library tools and some file explorer. We can export files from our system. We can change appearance. We can apply custom properties, or we can go to SolidWorks forum. Just click on Take Me There and it will take you to the SolidWorks forum on the internet. You can also pin it up so the task pane won't disappear. Just unpin if you don't want it to be appeared. So that's all for the SolidWorks named areas. We will start the sketching part from the next tutorial. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe the video.